have over 100 teachers, and they all volunteered in the summer to be here. That says to me there is a need, there is a hunger, there is an excitement. And all of the teachers are bringing all three of those things to these 3 days here in Kansas City. They're showing up energized, excited, hungry for knowledge, and that is really changing the dynamics inside our sessions.
For me, arts integration is very simple. It's an imperative that really is important because it allows children to see beyond the obvious. And that is something that's really critical because it empowers children to value their own unique strengths and encourages them to be more resourceful. It actually splashes color on the canvas of their thinking, so it opens up their minds to a rainbow of all kinds of creative problem-solving strategies.
My mindset has changed in how I will go back and apply this in my classroom. I felt like I already did integrate the arts, but I maybe didn't make it intentional in my classroom. I saw that it really pulled out the creativity in the students that allowed me to change my energy in the classroom.
I was amazed at how arts integration really involves all of the C's. So you've got the collaboration, the creativity, the critical thinking, and the communication that's involved in everything that you do is so important, and truly amazing how all the different workshops brings that together.
I think we always have the word innovative in our mind, and we think technology, but being innovative is just the way of thinking, and this is just a different way of thinking in our classroom, and getting our kids to think differently, and not just through paper and pencil, but through their bodies, and being more creative and problem solvers. That was the other thing I felt like we walked away with, is a better form to problem solve and a way to strategize and
right,
collaborate.
and have the students learn those skills and those strategies to problem solve, rather than the teacher stepping in and letting them collaborate together to solve those.
You can go back on the first day of school and you can start using this and you can see a difference in your classroom.
And what I really appreciate is it was student focused. The students were our priority, not learning a new method for me, the educator. And the students are going to be the one who's going to benefit from it because they're the ones who are going to be engaged. They are the ones who are going to be learning. Our students who are going to learn through art.
It puts the fun back in education. Like, education can be fun. Yes, you have to learn some of these things that are very rote, but this makes it fun. Like, it would be fun to learn the parts of a butterfly if I'm doing a tableau, because then it's like I'm creating this thing and it's more interesting and dynamic, and then I'm taking it in a different way. It also meets different modalities of learning. Like, maybe I don't learn in a traditional open your book, read, memorize, answer these questions. That was not me as a learner. I was a very kinesthetic learner. So this answers that for those kids who need that stimulation.
It's for all students. It's not just for our artistic students, special needs students, our bright students. This is for every student. Every student will benefit from the strategies that were picked up today.
I'm just really excited to take it back and get started, see what the kids can get out of this. I'm excited. Hopefully we'll have this again next year.
Yay.
We're so happy to be here, and we hope that we're invited back because this is exactly the kind of group we like working with.